The question about Bitcoin is, if you hold on to a Bitcoin, other than selling it for a profit, how are you going to use the coin if nobody else accepts it as currency? That's an important question to ask. Okay, Bitcoin is a very famous topic that a lot of people like to talk about, how it's going to replace currency, how much it has gone up since it debuted. I don't entirely disagree with what they say, but neither do I think Bitcoin is a viable investment option. Mainly because it's not backed by anything. You know that if you own a stock, if you don't sell the stock, you can collect dividends from the stock, and it's a company that runs and generates profit. You know that if you buy gold and you don't use gold, in future you can sell off the gold to be made into jewelries. So I think although there's price action in Bitcoin now, investors who invest into cryptocurrency need to be mindful. People are not buying them. The price of the cryptocurrency is very easily manipulated. So you could be buying something that's not backed by anything, and you might be stuck with not knowing what to do with it down the future. Bitcoin actually doesn't have much of an impact on the economy. On the other hand, part of the reason why Bitcoin or cryptocurrency appreciated over the last few years, it's really because the bank interest rates are at all-time low. Some countries, you even have negative interest if you were to put money into the bank. So it's natural that people want to find instruments, investment instruments, to put their money into whereby there's chance of appreciation. Right now, people don't really care too much about fundamental values into investment assets anymore. What they're more concerned is whether there's price action, there's price movement, is it likely to go up? Hence, I don't think cryptocurrency have much of an impact on the economy. On the other hand, some people might ask, why is it that banks are providing platforms for people to trade and sell cryptocurrency? Well, financial institutes, they're always looking for new means to generate income. A very safe way for them is always be the middleman, you know. As you trade more, they will just make more money. So they don't take any risk as to whether the asset is valuable or fundamentally sound at all. Yeah. Hence, I still personally will not buy it. If my clients want to buy it, I'll tell them to be careful.